Hello, the item we're going to look at today is in the box here, and I'm just going to unwrap it from the tissue paper. It's a little tin of talcum powder which probably dates from the 1920s, and it was sold by Mr. H.J. Jukes, the chemist, on St Neots Market Square. It's probably from the 20s or 30s, judging by the decoration. It says it's for nursery and toilet. It's guaranteed to be absolutely pure and free from all harmful ingredients. And then it says suitable for the most sensitive and delicate skins. So you could have bought this on St Neots Market Square. It would have been used to dry, to sort of take moisture from your skin and to scent your skin. It's a sort of early form of deodorant. So deodorants hadn't been invented in the early 1900s, and people would have used talcum powder. So Mr. Duke's shop was on the Market Square. This is Iceland today, and Mr. Duke's shop was here, which today is the mini market, and next door is the Mountain Warehouse, which back then in the 30s and 40s was the Fox and Hounds pub. So thanks for listening.